Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Dropping Gems. For today's video, tutorial, whatever you want to call it, we're going to be talking about how I create my YouTube videos. Yes, I'm a new YouTuber here. I'm basically located in the Caribbean, and this is practically something that I want to build to create passive income for myself along with my other streams of income. So far it's been it's been quite okay. I think the only thing is prioritizing basically how I'm going to get my videos released 4 times a week and to be consistent and to just basically stick to the plan, the major aim of goals, and to get the work done. All right, I want to thank you so much for being a part of my channel. I encourage you to like, to share, and to subscribe, and to just keep abreast with everything that I'll be posting. I have experience with selling on Amazon. I have experience with selling on eBay. I have experience with creating my own online store. I'm about to launch basically my business. I won't say what my business is, but I'm also trying to get that done. Added to that, I'm doing YouTube, and also I have my social networks that I'm trying to build. So where it all began, probably 4 or 5 years ago, I was on and off, but let's just say of last year, 2019, I won't say last year, 2019, in the month of December, I decided to take this and go with it fully, and to not stop at any point in time, and to not get comfortable, but to continue pushing until I reach my goals. All right, so for today I'm going to speak about how it is that I create my YouTube videos on a budget, basically, because as you can see my face. Anyway, I prefer it that way for the time being. I have my reasons. I don't want to show my face, but under the circumstances I can't. All right, this is all on a budget, and I think my webcam is crap right now, so forgive me for that. Will I be showing my face in the future? Maybe I will, maybe I won't, who knows. If you stick around, you'll find out. I'm basically doing all it on a budget, so I'm going to show you the basic tools that I use in order to have my YouTube videos up and published 4 times a week, every week, for the remaining of the year. I'm also pregnant. Yes, I'm about 6 months pregnant. If you're listening to this video, I'll be having my baby at the end of the year. It's my very first, so I'm excited about that as well. So she's coming along with me on this journey. So please do stay tuned and be encouraged. And whatever it is that you do, I know the world seems as if it's coming to SH with the other 2 words behind it, but remember that with God all things are possible, and to remain prayerful in everything that you do, and to not have all the noise surrounding you basically close in, because that way you get depressed, anxiety, and you could just basically lose yourself and make them off track and lose sight of your goals. All right, so let's get into this. All right, so as you can see, I'm here on YouTube. You can see my first video here. I published it like about a day ago. Anyway, I don't have any views yet, but that's not important. When getting my YouTube videos created, I use a screen recorder. It's a free screen recorder. It's Apowersoft online screen recorder. This is completely free. The only thing that I do, once you come here, you download the app, and then you click on start recording. Once you click on start recording, they're going to ask you to download the device onto your computer, and that's what's basically at the bottom here. Now once that's downloaded onto your computer, every time you click on start recording, a little thing is going to pop up. I can't show you now, but it's like a rectangle toolbar is going to pop up, and it's going to have REC, which is record, on it. You click on it. Once you click on record, you have this toolbar pop up here, which basically monitors the time and shows you how far along you're going, basically. And yeah, that's it about the screen recorder that I use. All right, so far it has been working okay. It's been getting the job done. Everything seems on point. Just need to make sure your environment is quiet and there's not much noise. I try as best to eliminate the noise. So basically being in an enclosed room can help. Once I've recorded my video basically, and you've heard my voice speaking here most naturally, I come over to Canva, and here is where I create my YouTube thumbnail. Alright, so creating my YouTube thumbnail here it's basically straightforward. You can click on a pattern or a design of your choice, and then the most you do is customize it to your likes and preferences. So you basically type in what you want here, YouTube thumbnail. They have free ones, most likely you choose the free ones, and they have paid ones, but once again we're doing this on a budget, so you're going to look for a free one. Let's see, I'll probably use this one. You can choose whether or not you want to incorporate your photos into your thumbnail like the way I do. You can, you don't. It's your choice, it's your preference. However you like to create, you create to your liking. I mean, we're all creators. We were created by God himself. So you can decide how is it that you want to create your thumbnails. Whatever it is that it's your niche, whether it's food, whether it's music, whether it's leisure, whether it's vlogs, whatever it is that you choose to do, you can pick your background here and you can type the name of your video. Let's say creating, I'm going to delete this, and here, let's see, this will work. Before we keep it all caps. Alright, so here you can change this to whichever photo you want. If you want to delete it, you can delete it, and then you can add whichever photo you want, whether it's a food or whatever it is that you're doing. If you have your phone other than using the screen recorder, please forgive me. You can also create a thumbnail here for your phone in order to upload your video. Here's a thumbnail for food. If you're into food and cooking and those sort of things, there's a thumbnail here that you can use. Or you can take the photo that you already have. You just change all these things up. You place your photo there, and voila, you have your thumbnail. Alright, now for recording as well, you don't have to use a screen recorder. If you have your cell phone, I have an iPhone XR. This works well, especially if you're trying to record something that you're making, like a DIY, if you're at home. Even if you want to put it on your lights, your ring lights, and you can record yourself speaking. Your iPhone can be a basic necessity, like a camera, in order to get your work done. Or you can also have, let's see, an Android phone that has the specs in order to have basically good pixels for your video. Alright, so there's not an option in order to record your videos. Alright, once you have your videos, you came here, you create that thumbnail. Yeah, sorry about that. That was a bit loud, so I had to pause the video for a sec so that that car can pass by the guys and some music. Anyway, let's get back to this. Once you finish recording, you have your thumbnail available. You're going to come over to Tubebuddy.com. Now, Tubebuddy is something that is basically, well, not something, it's an app basically that helps you out to get your YouTube tags. Let's say you have some tags that you want to optimize your video, You can basically scroll around YouTube and you're going to find someone that have a video similar to yours. You can check that person's SEOs. You can see how much videos that person have up and running. You can see how much views they had, how much votes they had, like likes on the video, if the creator suggested the video to anyone, and those sorts of things. What are the best practices? You'll get all that using Tubebuddy. So you're going to sign up for free. And you know, as you go along and you have the monies that you can pay, you can actually pay, and you're going to have more details on Tubebuddy. You can actually have suggestions as well on the video titles that you can create in order to have a popping YouTube channel as well. Alright, I'm trying to see if I could find something so you guys can see what it looks like with the YouTube video. I'm not seeing anything here, so sorry about that. But the YouTube video is usually on this end of the screen, you know, when you open a YouTube video, and on the right hand side where it have all the suggested videos, just above that the videolytics will pop up and it will show basically the entire summary for that video. And at the bottom it has the tags, and you can decide if you want to copy a few of those tags or all of those tags, and you basically incorporate it into your own video. And then you go to the Creator Studio and you upload. Now once you've done all this, you have your thumbnail, you have your screen recordings, you go to your Creator Studio, and you basically upload your video, and that's basically it. That's how I create my YouTube videos. This is just the basic apps that I use, or softwares you can say that I use online in order to create my videos. There's nothing special to it, honestly. For another video, I will probably go through the step-by-step on how to basically get it done, because I haven't seen any video that actually shows how to get it done. Anyway, that's not important right now. I'll do that in another video. But that's it, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for being a part of this. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Be blessed, be safe, and take care. Bye.